Hey, what up YouTube? This is Chester with my RC channel, and today I have some exciting news. I'm going to be doing a build with this clod buster. I'm going to call it Big Daddy, and it came about because we took our clod busters out to the desert for test drive from the last video with Amber's clod buster that we like to call Mother Trucker, and well, I broke my steering. We got a little excited on some of the jumps and overdid it a little bit, and well, this also happened. So I've decided to go ahead and do a big build, and I just got off the phone with the boys over at ThunderTech Racing, and I am going to be building one of their Rage Pro chassis for this car, and also, I'm going to be using some of their adjustable motor mounts because these cars come stock from the factory with fixed gearing, and I'm going to be switching over to brushless power from Hobbywing, and want to be able to change my gearing to get this thing out of the hole or give it the top speed it needs for whatever course it happens to be running on. Now, obviously, I need to do a body for it, so if you guys have any suggestions of what you think I should do, add it to the comments below and let me know. Alright guys, if you want to catch more of this project, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so that you get notified when these videos drop. So follow along as I take this clod buster from mundane backyard basher, race, ready, earth, smasher. Alright, like always, be good to each other and have a great day.